Lamdamasi naha oriba mahiroi singda science and technology ga mari lainaba innovative idea putokhanaba gi pandamda numit humni chathagadaba Innotech Fest ngasidagi Imphal gi takil da leiba science center da hodokrai Science and Technology Department asinduna Fest asi Additional Chief Secretary Vivek Kumar Devagan na hodokibagaloinana Lamdamasi da leidiba angang singi talent khangbiba amadi makhoi gi innovative oiba idea sing yokhatpiba mathautai hairi Manipur si lau singuba amadi tourism gi potential labor state oibana potential labor field sing asida ahenba focus piduna henna chakot hanabagi damak innovative oibya mawong da hotnaba mathautai hairi July kun forward chathagadoriba fest asi maru oina angang singda innovative idea challenge tauna hanabagi wakhal pokhan gadori challenge asida tongan ba school gi mahiroi kuntra ga nipan sarukyari Fest asigi sarukam oina agriculture amasung technology ga mari leinaba stall kuntra gi exhibition amasu hangli loinana fest asigi sarukam oina mahiroi singi maraka robot design amasung sport painting na chingbasu pangthoktuna athoi hen tanagani haidi
Manipur is home to more 350 orchids. The only thing is that how do we take up this floriculture on commercial level and how do we arrange the marketing? That is a real challenge, and I would request all the stakeholders to put our minds together and to work out a strategy so that the logistics problems, marketing problems of our innovators are taken care of. Other than this agriculture and allied activities, second area that I foresee is that the area of tourism where Manipur can go a long way.